Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be talking about my April and May favorites. For some reason, some odd reason, I skipped on April and I wanted to talk about things that I have been using, things that I have been loving. I may add some music in later. If not, you guys can always follow me on my Apple Music. I don't have Spotify, sorry. I have been making a summer playlist. I have been just trying to lighten the load because summer's coming. No, summer is here and I want to share with you guys what I've been using and loving. So if you're interested in watching this video, then stay tuned. Let's talk about skincare. The other thing I have on my face is a little bit of a serum that I am testing that I like. I am breaking out right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Everything else is just dark spots. So to combat the dark spots, but also just to get rid of the pimples. I don't pop my pimples. Lately, my favorite thing to use, and this isn't something that I use like every day. I got this in early April at a Sunday Riley event, and they gave me the Ultra Clarifying Acne Treatment Face Oil. It's got 1.5% of salicylic acid. I really love this stuff. It is super expensive. I am glad that I got a sample because I couldn't imagine buying a full size. I feel like the way that acne works is based on your skin regimen. I'm gonna try to make this as short as possible because I could talk a lot about it, but I love this stuff for just like, I don't even know if I can use this in the daytime. Fuck it, I'll just use it in the daytime. So what I like about this is that it has cucumber, it's got salicylic acid of course, and it's good for just getting rid of the pimple real quick. So what I'll do is, like, you know, there's like a little dropper in there. You don't even really need that much because it's such a thick oil that a little bit goes a long way. So I literally dropped that much on there. I don't know if you guys saw that. I dropped this little bit here because I've got a pimple, and then I've got this ugly one right here. And I'm gonna tell you right now, that's all that you need. So that is part of my like April, May favorites as far as skincare. Another skincare product that I really love is this Milk Makeup Cooling Water. At first when I got it, I was like, I don't know if I really love this. Oh my God, it matches my nails. If I love this, and then gradually using it like almost every day and incorporating it into my skincare has definitely made me love it. It definitely is a cooling water. And I love to put it on my forehead, my chin, and then around my nose. Just areas I think where I get oily, and then I love, it has like caffeine in it. I need to like really look up these ingredients, but I did look at it, but I just don't remember now because I'm a little tipsy. It'd be fucking gross, but this is the Brightening Enzyme Water Cream. And I heard that this is really good to help with my, my dark spots. So I was talking to the lady, right? And I remember she was telling me that this is good for those dark spots, but I was wearing this for the longest underneath my eyes. My eyes have dramatically changed. You don't even need too much. I just wanted a little extra for my forehead. You don't even need that much. And I just want my skin to feel hydrated. I love when it feels moist and it looks moist. I don't get why people don't like the word moist, but it's all personal preference. So those are my skincare items. That are my favorites for April and May. This is another thing that's been my favorite for the longest. It's just a little old Cetaphil. This does have glycerin and macadamia nut oil and vitamin B5. Not sure what all those do. The reason I like this is because I use a lot of treatments. I use a lot of serums and things before I apply my moisturizer. And there are times, especially at night, where I want to moisturize and go. I don't want something that is like, I don't think that is more that I don't want. I think it's more of like, I don't care if the moisturizer is just a moisturizer. I feel like we pack so much into our skin and layer it and layer it and layer it, and you have to replenish, you have to fix, you have to do all these things. And I feel like with a moisturizer like this, you could just, it's honestly a fan favorite. I've read on Reddit everywhere that like if you just want to moisturize your body and your neck, which I'm actually gonna put a little bit of this on my neck. The only reason I'm not SPFing right now is because I'm not leaving the house today. There isn't much sun out there, but you know, it's, oh my God, am I out of this? Holy crap, I am. Yeah, I'm not SPFing because I'm not leaving the house, but that is something that I do recommend is to put SPF, at least I feel like at least SPF 20-25. My tools for favorite foundation have changed. I'm probably sure it's changed a million times since I've started my YouTube channel, but that's just how the makeup community goes. I really love the Pro Flawless airbrush from the Sephora collection. It's the number 56. It's like a little dome. It's so fucking cute, and I love that like I can get like anywhere, and it works really well with creams and liquids. And slowly but surely falling in love with the Eco tools. I've got, okay, so another thing that's my favorite, I want to just add this in very quickly, is that I love the app from Target. It used to be Cartwheel, but now they just integrated everything, so it's just the Target app, which you can still get like your discounts and bonuses and stuff like that. And I got this retails for 10. I got this for 8 or maybe $7 because it was 10% off, and then I got my 5% with my debit card from Target. You should sign up. It's just gonna take it out of your bank, and it does it like the next day, so you don't have to worry about like being broke or anything. But I bought this for a few dollars, and I saw someone else talk about it, and I've seen a couple of people's videos with these color sponges, and I wasn't sure what to make of it, but I was like, you know what, I like to invest in my channel, and I want to see what I can get out of it. And so I bought this. I used it one time, fell magically in love with it, and is it too soon to say that this is an May favorite, even though like May's over like 2 days? I don't care, it's so good, and I like the like, it's like lightly damp right now, and I could use it. Like all it needs is the only thing it needs is moisture. I don't know if like if my perfect foundation match actually exists. There are not many beauty bloggers who use a brush for foundation. I like both, and it's honestly a preference. I mean, a lot of people ask me that, and I'm just like, I don't know. See how I just covered? I don't know. This sponge is like honestly a miracle. And I know that I was a huge fan of the Miracle Sponge for Real Techniques, but I didn't realize how much product it was taking up. This definitely does take up product, but not as much as I was. It already had a stain on it, so I love that I don't even have to wring it. I like put like the tiniest, it's not even a word, Shari, a tiny bit of water, and it's good to go. So this is the side with the beauty sponge, and then this is the side with the beauty blender. Where am I? So my favorite thing for April and May has been this NYX eyebrow shaper. It's pretty much a wax. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's an eyebrow shaper. Is it gonna hurt? I probably should have used this first, but I have very unruly brows right now because I don't do them, so they grow and all that stuff any way that I want. So even though I should have sharpened this, I'm still using it. It is the eyebrow shaper. You can get this at Ulta for like something ridiculous, really cheap. My favorite gloss probably ever. This is one of two. My favorite gloss is the Estee Edit, but I love this because I purchased this for my birthday in September of last year, and it's lasted me. Usually glosses go quick, and the reason that this one hasn't is because you don't need a lot. Like, just look. My only thing is I'm not crazy about the smell. Oh god, just added color. Perfect. I'm not crazy about the smell, but I love how like smackery, like glossy it is. It's just perfect. It pairs with like anything that I want. Like, look at that. I remember the first time I used it, I was like, oh my god, I'm so juicy, and like there's just literally nothing else that works. better than this. Another thing that I didn't get a chance to mention was this Envy nail enamel dryer. I used to use this, and then I noticed I'm just a plain old manicure kind of girl. I love acrylics, I love gel and all that stuff, but I don't have the sort of patience for like sitting at a nail salon for too long, and that's why I always fuck up my nails. And I think that this is just simple for a girl. I know there's plenty of girls out there that are like that. Like this stuff you can literally spray and your nails are dry. Like I love it. This is also another reason I picked this up is because obviously when you get your nails on, you get a mani-pedi and you do pedi first, you think your toes are dry before you leave the salon, and it's definitely not like that. And I find that if I just spray this helps with the longevity of nail polish. Guys, that wraps up this long ass video. I'm sorry if it's too long. I will try to cut this down. I really appreciate everyone watching my channel, sticking through with me, sticking it through with me while I figure out like what I want to do with my channel. I'm working, I'm trying, and as long as I'm trying and I'm making effort, I think that's all that matters. Let me know if any of these things are in your favorites. I will do my best to be consistent with my favorites because I actually really love watching these videos and I love creating them for you guys. So if there's anything that you guys want to see, anything you want to mention, anything you've tried, talk to each other and talk to me because I love reading you guys' comments. And don't forget to subscribe because your girl needs 100 followers just to make youtube.com/Shari Elisa, and I don't want to lose that. So I appreciate you guys, and I will see you next time. And thanks again once again for watching.